6 2 4 24 LCM is 24. 5 10 20 25 LCM is 100. 7 21 14 42 LCM is 42. 9 6 12 18 LCM is 36, right? 8 6 4 2 LCM is 8. Now see here friends, 6 2 4 24. Of this series, 24 is biggest of this series. 24 is divisible by 4, yes it is divisible by 4. 24 is divisible by 2, yes it is divisible by 2. 24 it is divisible by 6, yes it is divisible by 6. So 24 is LCM of this number. 5 10 20 25. Biggest number is 25. 5 is divisible by 25. 25 is divisible by 5, yes it is divisible by 10 is 25 is divisible by 10, it is not divisible by 10. 25 into 2 will be 50. 50 is divisible by 10, yes it is divisible by 10, but 20 is not divisible by 20 is not divisible, right, of 50. So 25 into 4 will be 100. 100 is divisible by 20, yes it is divisible by 100. So LCM is 100. Now see here, 7 21 14 42. So 42 is biggest number. 42 divisible by 14, yes it is divisible by 14. 42 divisible by 21, yes it is divisible by 21. 42 divisible by 7, yes it is divisible by 7. So our LCM is 42 of this series. 9 6 12 and 18. Biggest number is 18 of this series, right? So 9 is divisible by 18 is divisible by 9, yes it is divisible. 18 is divisible by 6, yes it is divisible by 6, but 12 is not divisible by 18, right? So 18 to the 36. Now 36 is divisible by 12, yes it is divisible by 12. So 36 is the LCM of this number. Look, biggest number is 8, remaining number 2 4 6, right? This is wrong. 8 is divisible by 2, but 6 is not divisible by 8 is not divisible by 6. So 8 3 is a 24, right? 8 to the 16, but 16 is not divisible by 6. 24 is divisible by 6. So our LCM is 24, right? So friends, let's know what is LCM. LCM is lowest common factor. LCM. L means lowest, C means common, and M means multiple. Lowest common multiple, LCM, right? See here, 2 4 and 5. Multiple of 2 is 2 4 6 8 10 12 18 20 22 24, so on. Multiple of 4, 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 36 40 44 and so on, right? 5 multiple is 5, 10, 50, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and so on. So look there, what is common? 2, 4, 5, it is not common. 4, 4, but here are not 4, so it is not common. 6, 8, 8, 10, 12, 12, 12, not common. 18, 18 is common here, not. 20, 20, 20 and 20, 20, 20, 20, 1 is common here. 24, 24, but here are not common. 26, 28, 30, right? So 30 is common here, but here are not common. Next 32, 34, 36, 36 is common. Next will be 38, 40, right? So 40 is here, 40 is here and 40 is here. There are two commons, 40 and 40. So lowest common multiple means 20, right? This number, lowest common multiple means this number. There are so many commons. So 2, 4, 5 LCM is lowest common multiple is 20. LCM is 24, 6 and 8. 24, 6 and 8. What is biggest number is 24, so pick 24. 24 is divisible by 6, yes, it is divisible, so neglect it. 8 is divisible by 24 is divisible by 8, yes, it is divisible by 8. So our LCM is 24. 24, 6, 8, LCM is 24. Next number, LCM of 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So what is biggest number, what is bigger number of this series? 10. Pick it. 10 is divisible by 8, it is not divisible by 8. So 2 into 2 into 2. Factor of 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. What is factor of 6? 2 into 3. What is factor of 4? 2 into 2. What is factor of 2? 2 into 1. So 2, 2, 2 and 2 is common, right? 2 and 2 is common. Whatever we have common, pick it. 1 is neglect, right? 2 common, 2 common, 2 and 2 common, 2. So 1 is neglect. We have 2, 2, 3, 2, 2 and 2. 2, 1, 2, 3. Common is, so pick only 1, right? 2, 2. Pick 2. And remaining is 2 again. 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. 2 1 is 2, 2 4, 8, 24, 24 into 10. 24 into 10 will be 240. So LCM is 240 of this series, right? For better understand, look at next number. 9, 8, 6. LCM of this number. LCM of this number. 9, 8, 6. Biggest number is 9. So pick here. 9 is divisible by 8. It is not divisible by 8. But 9 8 just 72, right? 9 into 8, because this is both are prime number. 6 is divisible by 9. 9 is divisible by 6. Not. It is not divisible by 6. But 79 8 just 72. 72 is divisible by 8 and also divisible by 6. So our answer is LCM of this number is 72. Look at next number. 2, 6 and 9, 18. LCM of this series 2, 6, 9, 18. 18 is biggest number. So pick it here. 18 is divisible by 2. So neglect it. 18 is divisible by 6. Not. It is not divisible. But 18 is divisible by 9. Yes, it is divisible by 9. Now 6 is not divisible. So divide by 2. It is 3. 3 is divisible by 18. Yes, it is divisible by 18. 3 to just 6. So answer will be 18 to the 36. 18 to the 36. So LCM of this number is 36.